Alright guys, what's up? So sorry for the bad quality, my phone got a little messed up. So today, after 9 weeks, my Alpha is ready. So they called me, they're like, it's ready, come pick it up. So I'm about to head over there right now. I'm about to go see all the work they done on it and then see what's going on and finally get my Alpha back. It's been a long time. I kind of forgot I had an Alpha at one point. My friends were like, dude, you drive an Alpha? I don't remember you had it. So I'm gonna say goodbye to the GLE over here and then I'm gonna see what the Alpha is about. Alright, so let's get in the Benz and let's get on the road over here. So hopefully this will be the last time you guys see this car. I am looking into getting a Benz after the Alpha lease is over, but for now I'm really excited to go get the Alpha right now, so stay tuned. So one more thing too is like I kind of feel like I'm getting a new car. Like I haven't had the Giulia in such a long time that I feel like it's a brand new car. I'm picking my new car, try to go on my first drive with it. So I mean, I don't know. Ironically I'm really excited, even though it's been a while. I've driven the car for about a year. Before that, I feel like I forgot how to drive. So I'm really excited for that. All right, so I just dropped off the GLE and I'm walking towards the dealer. It's basically it's a block away and I'm gonna see what's up. So hopefully everything is in tip-top shape. So I just got home and then they told me when I went to the shop, they told me that they're gonna need another 25 more days to fix the car, and I was just so disappointed. I'm just kidding. No, I got the car back. So let me show you guys. So finally, I got the car back. Really excited. To be honest, when I was driving home, I didn't know how to drive it. To be honest, like I didn't know I forgot how the car handled. And since I've been driving the SUV for about 9 weeks, I forgot how small a sedan looks or feels. Now I feel cramped in this. It's so ironic of how like before you complain about like I was complaining about I like the features of having a fully loaded car, and now I'm not complaining, but it's like an interesting thing that I noticed how this car is so small to me now. But overall, I was having a blast driving it back. My next video, I'm gonna go into I have the papers that they showed what they did, what was wrong with the car. So I'll give you guys like a detailed explanation of what work they did and what they worked on and why it took so long. But for now, I'm just really excited to have my car back. It's Friday. I get to have it for the weekend, and then hopefully until the lease is over. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy the car. I'm gonna go up on the canyon it. I forgot how that feels to have a good handling car. But yeah, everything is tip top. Let me guys show you if you guys forgot how it looks like. Let me turn the camera. Just in case you guys forgot how it looks like. It's right over here. Let me show you guys the outside. So I think one of my older videos, I put the spoiler on over here. It's a carbon fiber spoiler. Yeah, beautiful. I love the look. I honestly, driving different cars, even though this one's not the most fully loaded version, but honestly, it's probably such a fun drive. So yeah, it's really exciting. I like I said earlier in the video before I got the car, did feel like I got a new car because I haven't had this car for over 2 months. So now I'm just gonna go drive it like I said. And if you guys give me a big thumbs up on the video and subscribe for more videos, my next video on the car related part is going to be about the details of what's going on in terms of not what's going on, what went on into the repairs, what they changed. I have the papers, I'll show you guys. And then also for those of you guys who don't know, I also do pharmacy videos. I talk about medications and health issues that relate to medication, anything pharmacy related. So if you guys are interested in those, please subscribe and watch those. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more content. See you.